Hi there folks, Sunny Sharma here again. Guess what week we're in? The first week of September, the last month of the third quarter right now. Where are your results? Where have you been all summer? Probably where I've been. You know what? My kids are back at school now, and the strategy that I've followed for over 3 decades now is it's my time to go back to work. That being said, we are offering free commercial training all over again. We have a fall series of events coming out, and I'd like you to take advantage of it. We got advanced commercial training, folks. We're going to be talking about the main elements of the cash flow model. I'm going to help introduce you to T-bars, the time value of money, and compounding and discounting, folks. There's actually 6 functions of a dollar we're going to calculate, that is, folks. Calculations, IRRs and NPVs, new terminology you're going to love. Your clients are going to love you even more.